Okay, let me do some work on Clyde now this morning. Relax, boy. All right, chill out. So let's see what his eye looks like close up. Yeah, there's some improvements going on. He's actually opening the slits now. Sometimes I've seen him kind of squinting, which is ah, mm-hmm. Yeah. So I can actually see the slit, and I've seen him squint before. So that is great improvement, if I say so. So what I'm gonna do today now, different from the lime juice. Not gonna do the lime juice today. What I'm gonna do is to add some rubbing alcohol, the green one. So I'm gonna dab a little rubbing alcohol on it. I hope it's not too powerful for him. And so I have a bit of cotton ball here. I'm gonna use a cotton ball to dab some of the alcohol on the